Yo, what's up guys? Today's vlog exclusively from Japan.
We are not in Japan, guys.
But look like little
It
bit.
looks like Japan feels, like surrounded by the bamboo forest. And look, this one also, the opening gate is just like in Japan with the bamboo forest, you see. But today, we are in Ubud. We are in Desa Taro, Ubud. If you have ever been to Elephant Park, where the Kim Kardashian and family going and other famous Hollywood celebrities coming to Bali and watching the elephant. But here we are not in the elephant, but we are close by the village of the elephant. Can you hear the sound of the birds and the nature? Very nice. And look, we are going down to the bamboo forest, which is really look like in Japan.
Really beautiful, isn't it? Check this out. So we were in the area of Taro village in North Ubud actually quite often, but we never know about this place. Also, I think this place is kind of new. I mean, yeah? It's developed pretty not so long ago, but looks really beautiful, especially is the bamboo forest. This is kind of rare in Bali, but this is Bali still, not Japan. We are just joking about Japan, but it's similar in Japan anyway.
So I can hear the sounds of the rivers. I really like it. Let's go down.
Let's go. Ooh, looks cool. Indeed. Honey, wait for me lah.
Come. Okay guys, so down there is actually there is a warung or something. Let's see, maybe we can have a coffee or something. Yeah.
Yeah, looking nice. Let's see. And down there is the river also, I think.
So I think that we just need to walk for about less than 100 stairs. And also the stairs is also easy. It's not that too steep. Very nice. And look at this.
All right. And I think down there is the restaurant already arrived. And also down there is the river and also nice tree. And little rice field even. They have even little waterfall here. And the river and the rice field. And Sayang is coming.
And they have a, like rice paddies and also waterfall. And it's very green and I can feel like this is a healing, the trend. Oh, look at the statues.
Yeah, the little carvings here, I just realized that next to them they are monkeys actually.
Look at the lotus pond. Let's go down to the river.
There is access to river Sayang?
Yes, I think this one go down.
You think so?
Yeah.
Okay, let's have a look. Look at these beautiful statues here also.
Yeah.
Pretty nice place, I could say. Oh, there is little temple actually, Sayang.
Wow, it's very nice trekking down to the river.
Bamboo forest. Very nice park actually, yeah?
Yeah.
River. Little river, check this out. And also you can have a little bath here, also nice with this statue. Guys, it's so hot, really. It's like 11:30, it's almost lunchtime. We showed you around the place. This is like a little warung restaurant also over here. And our food alive, check this out.
This is not my foodie channel yet, but I order sate ayam. For those of you who have been craving for sate ayam, Damian order mie kuah. Look at the food. It's very affordable. My sate ayam is only 30k. And then Damian's mie kuah is only 20k.
And check this out, the place looks like this. Some young kids already coming here.
Watermelon juice, so fresh.
Juice. And quickly I'm gonna show you the warung. Maybe you are interested to come here. They don't have a coffee, but it's alright. They have a nice food in the sitting area.
So fresh and relaxing. And one thing that I noticed, surround, only Damian is bule here.
Yeah,
so nice.
That's true. I'm only one foreigner here. Gaijin. Because in Japan for the bule they called gaijin or farang. in Thailand or whatever, gringo in Mexico. But anyway, that's true, I'm only one Bule foreigner here, but the place is really, really nice.
Really nice.
Going up is actually quite challenging. However, it's kind of fresh, maybe because so many bamboo or like wind is coming here. It's really not that hard like most of the waterfalls in Bali actually. And all of this what you see on the table, satay, my soup, cola, juice, another cola for takeaway. We paid only
90k.
90k. I shouldn't drink cola, I think. Because cannot. And
It's time to go home.
Let's see what is on the top, because there is also nice little surprise for you guys.
So if you're asking us how much is the entrance, well actually 10k per person. And then the warung, no tax included. So because I think that this warung is organized by the village and the profit will go to the village. And the workers, actually the youngsters from the village.
There is the entrance to the restaurant and all of this what we show you, and this is the entrance and exit. So they built also brand new concrete road, but it's actually going down from the cliff. So now we're gonna climb up a little bit, but this is like they have people who are saying who can drive or not, something like that. Kind of safe, I could say. Honey, you look tired.
Let's go explore the village of Taro. Here is the Taro village, actually outside of the bamboo forest down there. And look at this, the village is so clean. It's just like in a Penglipuran village, and they really also, I think that the villagers also maintain the garden, not even like a single plastic rubbish.
But it's also there is no tourists around because this is not UNESCO. It's just normal village, like any kind of village, but looks the same like Penglipuran. Very nice, very traditional, very nice place. I really like it.
So look at this beautiful temple. Very nice. You can feel like, I think, the real Bali experience here.
Still very nice, still very Balinese and very virgin, I could say, indeed. There is not much development from the Western world here, I could say. And also beautiful road here.
Yeah, on the left, on the right side, there is you know, like beautiful rice paddies. There are no villas or no hotels around it.
Not yet.
Not yet.
It's
just
quite
locals' house.
It's quite far from the center, maybe that's why.
Okay guys, so this is very beautiful place, Desa Taro, UBUD.
I hope so you enjoyed today's vlog, little bit different, a little bit nature and stuff like this, but we're trying to show you everything, little bit of everything. It's very beautiful place in my opinion. You can comment below what do you think, and yeah.
Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow.
See ya, take care guys.